using for OBMG4 coupons. I'm going to show you how this one works. The other one should work the same way, but it's not. So if I go that right there,
Yeah.
that brings up the website. I click on that right there, it'll actually bring up the website. That's working perfect. I'm going to close that. Okay, and I'm going to leave that sitting there. Now I'm going to go back.
Have you shared your screen?
Can't you see my screen?
No. I see only you.
I'll show you how it works right now. I'm going to go back to my domains. I click on OBMG4 coupons. It comes up. It shows up front end of the website just like it's supposed to. I
Yes.
click on the website just like it's supposed to. So far, so good, right?
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
now if I go to OBMG, I go to subdomain. Go to. Close the wrong one. Close the wrong one. Now, if I go here now, I'm in well, I'm going to say more again, damn it. Now, if I go to, I showed you how this works, okay? Now, if I go to this one, I go to subdomains, I click on that subdomain, it won't work. And nobody can figure out why. Now, I found some differences on it. I don't know why it is. I have talked to, I don't know Alice, I've talked to Gilderall, I've talked to everybody in this world, okay? Nobody can come up with a fix, okay? So here we are with OBMG. Now, if I go to name server, it shows the name server is Ionis. Now, okay, but now the website that it goes to is not on Ionis. If I go to OBMG4 coupons, and I go to
Have you added these dollars? Did you do this alone?
what? If I go to name server here, it shows this right here. Now this is the name server for Builderall. Now the only thing I'm saying, see, both of those should be identically the same. This one works. Everything on this works. But this shows the domain goes here. This one shows it's got that set up. Now I don't know what that means. Does anybody know what I'm talking about? If I go to DNS, I'm on OBMG and I go to DNS. This is what comes up now. I've got Microsoft handling all my emails. Microsoft is attached to my domain and handling all of my emails. Then you come in here, you'll come up with all these settings down here. Now, if I go to here on this one, go DNS. Now, Microsoft can't get their set. Now, normally what I do when I add another domain, I go into Office 365, I tell another domain, it comes into Ionis, and it configures Ionis for it. It won't do it now. I spent 2 hours yesterday morning just on the phone with Microsoft. They can't figure out why. So that's the problem. Now, the only thing I know for sure is that this.
We can't hear you, buddy.
Let me start over again.
Yes, I think you should.
Okay. I'm going to use two domains. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to use this one right here. OBMG Global. Now, the reason I'm showing you this one is because this is set up just exactly the same way that this one right here should be set up. Exactly.
Okay.
Except the front end points to a different front end. So if I go to this right here,
I guess Otunaya will be joining now.
that's the website. It builds up. Just a second. Okay. So if I go to this one right here, that's the website it pulls up. Of course, if I click on it, goes to the website, which is the way it should be. Okay, so that's what.
আবার কি হলো কিছু শুনি না
Oh, this is getting crazy here.
Yeah. Oh God.
Use it for OBMG coupons. So I'm going to go to OBMG for coupons here. If I go here, I click on name server. This is for OBMG. It says the name server is this right here. Now this is Ionis. Now this website is not hosted on Ionis. It's hosted somewhere else. When I go here for coupons, I come down here. It shows that this is hosted, and this is the hosting service for Builderall. And I don't want to make a difference now. I don't know, but okay. But here, let me show you something else. Okay, I go back here and show you DNS records. Now I have Microsoft controlling all my domains for email purposes, and Microsoft is trying to set this up for OPM for coupon. They can't do it. Okay, now it comes down here and it gives you all these settings here. If I go to here and go for domain DNS, you'll find out they're all different. Now, first of all, of course, none of them is set up on for Microsoft. Now, I've never messed up a computer in my life because I don't know anything. I don't know what to do, so I don't do it. So I know that everything on this side here should be set up exactly the same thing on this, except, of course, where the web page goes to. And like if I go here and go back, click on this, it shows the web page it goes to right here. If I go here, do identically the same thing. Oh,
Yeah, we're hearing you.
then it pulls up the website like it's supposed to. So this is what it should pull up right here. Just like this one here pulls it up. So this is hosted on some. This is not hosted on Alice's website. Of course, this is not hosted on Alice's website. That is the only difference between these two applications. Everything else should be exactly the same. So the settings are not the same. They should be. Now I just click on name server. That's just the first one I clicked on. And you see that name server. And that says it's custom. It says it goes to builder all. That one says it's using Ionis. So remember, the website is not hosted on Ionis. It's hosted on another service, just like OBMG is. So shouldn't they say the same thing? You not hearing me?
Yeah.
Come again, please.
Okay. OBMG Global and OBMG 4 coupons should be set up exactly the same, except for one thing. That is where the front end is. Well, the front end here, sure, one more time.
Hey, hello, buddy.
Yes.
Hello. Ozonayo is gonna join now, so let him in. Can you accept him?
Okay, just a second. Okay. Okay. I'll start over again. I don't know what is wrong. I've had people, the people next Slow does everything you think of, and they can't figure out what's wrong with this, okay? So I'm going to start over again here. I'm going to show you this is an OBMG Global, not OBMG, OBM Global, okay? And it's working perfect. And everything we used on this is set up exactly the same way that OBMG for coupons is set up. Now let me go back and start over again here. So when I go to OBMG, it pulls up the website there, just like it should. When I go there, it pulls up the website, just like it should. With me so far? Is that right? You understand what I'm saying? That needs to be the spokesman for you. Y'all understand this pulls up this website, this pulls up this website, which is what it should do, right? Can anybody hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So do you understand what I'm saying so far? Somebody's got to talk to me. I can't do that unless somebody talks to me.
Everything is understandable.
Okay. Now if I go here, I click on name server. Remember, this is OBMG Global. It's what it works. It shows the name server is Ionis. Now that website is not hosted on iOS.
Okay.
If I go here and click on name server, it shows that is the destination for Builderall.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, if this is working and it shows that, shouldn't that show that also?
Okay.
Now, just a minute, let me go further. If I go here, I click on DNS.
Okay.
Now, remember, I've got Microsoft controlling a domain for email, just for email purposes. That's all they do. Then you
Okay.
go down here, it's got all these different settings and all this kind of stuff here, okay? Now, if I
Okay.
go here, I click on DNS, it doesn't have any of the Microsoft on there, which is understandable, but that's all different stuff there too. So shouldn't all this be the same? The problem on it, the problem that exists, let me go back and I'll show you again. Okay, the problem that exists, when I go to OBMG Global, I go to OBMG Global, I go to subdomains, I click on that right there, it takes me where it should take me.
Okay.
So that's the back end. If I go to here, go to subdomains, it don't take me nowhere. So we cannot before Q, and nobody can figure out what's wrong. I know, like I say, the settings should be the exact same thing as this, except the page. And the page is set up because it OBMG, this goes to the right place. OBMG for coupons. But the domain, I don't know what to do. Oh, I know what's wrong, but I don't know what to do. Anybody there?
Yes, I'm here.
Maybe I got any advice, I don't know what to do. I'm showing you what's wrong. I don't know what to do.
This is OBMG cPanel.
What?
This is OBMG cPanel.
This is OBMG for coupons. And this is the front end. This is the way it don't show up. Yeah, Max record, it shows up. Text, shows up. Now, if we go to text